At Sky, we're always looking for ways to do things more efficiently. Save time, save resource, and ultimately save money. We're always looking to push boundaries and make things better and improve them. So we knew that with promo versioning, this was an area that took a lot of resource, a lot of time, but actually it's quite a templated, relatively straightforward piece of work.
Anyone who has a brand, we have some sort of brand rules, so we call it on-screen presentation. If anything, it's about branding, brand rules and consistency. So we've always had that, but we've always seen a versioning sense and the amount of versions we do, been very manual. With brands, consistency is key. We have evolved from out-of-date suites, but it's up to the versioning team to understand the brand and make sure everything is on brand. We had an opportunity to potentially invest and automate. We didn't have much time to do it. We wanted to explore Factory. There was a good opportunity to explore Factory.
So we definitely looked for a system that was able to take these templates and actually do a lot of that manual legwork for us.
The good fit with obviously automation and where we are with Factory is we can set those rules in, we can feed it as much data as we want, and as long as we have electricity, it's going to work. On point every time.
I think we always want to deliver the best viewer experience. That's our goal, regardless of whether we're talking about long-form content, promotions or any presentation elements. For us, it's about the viewer experience.
When we first took on Factory, with speed being of the essence, we went down a route where we would build every iteration of the template or promo durations and types that were needed. Then we systematically built those templates in the system.
The great thing about introducing automation was we were allowed to take away a lot of the human intervention, a lot of the data entry and the rekeying of information, and use a process which could take raw data from our broadcast system and use that directly to add versioning to our content.
Entertainment gave us that good little starting point. We could prove the system worked. From that and from the learnings from entertainment, our next challenge was Sky Sports. Sky Sports is naturally far more complex than entertainment. It's about the fixture, the sport, and that means our automation needs to be adaptable enough that we can actually feed it the most up-to-date assets quickly.
What it meant was we were delivering far fewer errors, far few kind of reversions were being delivered, and what we got on air was accurate. And for me, what's important is accurate first time. As
we were building entertainment, we were obviously working very closely with Pixel and built up a really good relationship with the guys. We actually were confident that, well, maybe we don't need to put all our development on the media planning tool. Maybe we could build some more intelligence into Factory to understand data slightly differently. We decided, for want of a better word, to bring it all a bit more in-house. Start to expand Factory more and what Factory can do for us.
It's worked incredibly well for us, probably better than we thought. The one thing you have as a benefit of having real people involved is there's a common sense involved. When you try to turn that into a structure of rules and templates, it can be quite tough, but we've achieved it.
I've worked with Pixel now for 10 years. What's great is there's not many layers I need to get to the right person.
Time and time again, we kind of partner with them to develop new pieces of work, new pieces of software, and they've never come back and said no. It's always been a conversation. It's always been about how can we make something better.
I believe Pixel do learn from Sky as well. We both learn from each other. The nice thing is that we do have that.
It's not just about a company that's trying to sell us a product. And I think that working in partnership has definitely helped us achieve what we've achieved so far.